Hi friends, welcome to TechieMit. So, in continuation of the Java design pattern with us today, I'm going to do a new video on prototype design pattern. So, how we can implement the prototype design pattern through a practical demo. I will show you this. So, yeah. So, what we'll do for we'll create one interface prototype, and this prototype end will have a clone method in it. Clone method to create the clone of the objects. So we'll see. I will just save it. Yeah, prototype int. It implements the prototype int interface, and we have created. You can consider this as a simple Pojo class, and I've introduced some attributes for this class, like book names and its publishers. So string list of string book of names and a list of string book publishers, and we have getter setters, and I overridden the toString method for it, and I created a parameterized constructor for this. Pretty straightforward, that is. And one more important thing, I overrided the clone method, that is for this class that implements the prototype int. And what I've done, yeah, in the cloned overtype prototype method, I have created string clone publisher as new this dot book publishers. I'm returning this array book names and clone publishers. Yeah. So I created this class with like book name, book publishers to string method, parameterized constructor, and I overridden this clone method. Please note that important step over here. Book prototype clone method. So clone publishers array list I created. I just with new array list I've initiated this book publishers and written book prototype. So I will pass the book names and clone book publisher. Oh, yeah. So book names are the string names that can be that are just saying string. It can be any book we are passing the form of string, and because the list I created list for book publisher, because then can be a single book publisher or multiple book publishers. So moving ahead, yeah. So one more class is the client implementation. Yeah. So over here, what I've done as I created the list of book publishers, I have added the book publishers list as James Rudolph. Book prototype implemented. I created a new class for it, and I have created jungle book and book publishers list. Book type prototype implement prototype dot clone book prototype that I am get book publisher dot at Tommy Moore, and we are just the original book. Yeah. So first, yeah, important step that this note here is that this is the new original object. Okay. So you have created one original object. Yeah. And in this step, I'll just create a clone of it. And you can modify the original object in the through the clone, and you can add some contents to it. So just like I have added one more publisher to Tommy Moore. Suppose I want to add one more publisher to it. Prototype get book publishers dot add. Some suppose his name is Daniel. Let's say. Type FPL. Now we will see the contents of original object contents and prototype. So these both names should be added as my assumptions. So we'll just compile run as Java application. Yeah. Yeah. So as you can see, Jungle Book, James Rudolph, who publishers, and prototype object contents are Jungle Book. Book name is the same, but James Rudolph and Tommy Moore, Daniel Rhodes. So these names are also added in the book publishers. So just consider a hypothetical condition. Originally there was one author, so he collaborated with say like multiple authors, and ultimately the cloned object. So instead of creating a new object right from the scratch, so because over here just we have to add the author's name that given contribution in the book or creation of the book. So we did it to just using the clone. We cloned the original object, and using the add method, we just added the like a list of book publishers, and yeah, we just compile and the output we can see. So the advantage of this cloning and prototype method is that original object you can clone it, and you can add contents to the original object without creating a new object from the scratch. So that's the advantage of prototype design pattern. So basically, it creates a clone of the original object and a prototype, and you can modify or use the existing object to the clone, and you can add your own contents through it. So that was the demo on prototype design pattern. Do keep liking, subscribing, #TechieMit. Or like now I covered almost all topics related to creation design pattern. So in the later videos, I will like to bring some other videos on structural or other design patterns in Java. Stay tuned to keep liking, subscribing, #TechieMit. Bye for now.